Hello friends, this is the most popular and legendary car in BMW lineup. The exterior of the 5 Series will not repeat the design of a new BMW 7 Series G60, but will be traditional in its design. Write in the comments what you think about it. The 5 Series will get a similar interior as the 7 Series G70 flagship model, with the same screens and the new iDrive 8 multimedia system. The new generation of BMW 5 Series in the body G60 will be built on the old platform Clark. The gasoline engine lineup will start with a base 530i with a 2-liter turbocharged engine rated at 270 horsepower. The 540i will be equipped with a 370 horsepower 3-liter engine. There will also be gasoline hybrid version. The 540e xDrive has a 3-liter gasoline engine paired with a 418 horsepower electric motor. There is no information about diesel engines. The premiere is expected in early 2023. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, see you in the next videos.